Thanks for coming out. Just teasing. Hey, before we get started, gotta acknowledge some people. Gotta acknowledge some people that make this event happen for us. Thanks to the fine folks here at the Coliseum. They work hard every day, keeping this thing going, so appreciate their help. Also, special thanks to our sponsors, our title sponsors, year in, year out, Walker GMC, the Walker family, the big car dealership people. Thank you very, very much. Also, thanks to Glass Tennis, Car Accessories, Robbie and the crew, Metro Towing. Big John, you guys move our vehicles or monster trucks and get us the stuff we are about to destroy. And we appreciate it. Thanks.
You want some? Yeah. There you go. You got some in already. You got the same thing in.
Yeah,
you can add these if you'd rather.
Yeah.
Sure, why not?
Thanks to Sentinel Radio, Fox TV, our Home Away from Home Comfort Inn, and special thanks to Best Western and United Equipment Rentals. All these people help us out in a lot of different ways, and without them, we wouldn't be here. So thank you very much. So,
You're welcome.
I'm ready if you're ready. Boys and girls, moms and dad, grandma and grandpa, are you ready to meet the stars of the Monster Truck International? First up, ladies first. How many people really think a female can drive a monster truck? Well, you are in fact correct. And she's been doing it for like 17, 18 years. She is without a doubt the top female monster truck driver in the world today. You've seen her on TV, Monster Jam, North America, South America, all over the world, kicking butt and taking names. It's hard to believe, she is actually a mother of 4 and a grandmother. And she just don't look like it can be real, but it is. She's driving a 2005 Ford Expedition, 1,700 horsepower, from Toxinoxie, Kansas. Hey, listen to this, too. I know we get a lot of people from Israel come up here, a lot of military people. She's also an 8-year Army veteran. That's right. So, the driver, Don Creighton, the truck, the world-famous Scarlet Bandit. Next up, a perennial favorite here at this facility, been coming here for a while. Big Bad Dodge 2017. It is a Hemi, 1,800 horsepower. The driver has been driving for 2 years, 25 years of age. He's a former professional surfer. He's out of Ocean City, California. Likes collecting guns and driving a monster truck. The driver, Mad Mikey Brisker. The truck, Hot Tamale. Next up, Big Bad Chevy 2018 model, 1,900 horsepower. 28 years of age, been driving for 6 years. He hails from Dodge City, Kansas. Former Rookie of the Year, unbelievable driver, good at them specialty tricks. You're gonna find out what I'm talking about in just a bit. Awesome, Austin Minton in the truck, Jekyll and Hyde. I asked him to give me the description. He said, it's just fast. 27 years in the business from Tucson, Kansas. Loves the monster truck business, likes bodybuilding, goes to the gym every day. You know what? They talk about the best truck in the world, and I know that a lot of people are Gravedigger fans, but I gotta tell you something. Not once, but twice, and currently, right now this minute, beat them all, including Gravedigger. He is the current world champion in the monster truck industry. Jimmy Green, the truck, two-time world champion, bounty hunter. Next up, where you at, guys? My BMX superstars, come on in here. I'll tell you more about them in a minute. These are some of the best in the world today. These guys will bring the house down tonight. I was counting it up a little bit ago. Between them, they got like 27 medals at the X Games. Unbelievable. And give it up for the BMX superstar. One more time, all together, please make all our performers welcome for the Monster Truck Winter Nationals. Make some noise! What? Dude! Hey, buddy! Yeah, you! The big guy!
Are you calling me a big guy?
Hey, the circus is up the road, buddy.
So is the zoo.
This is a monster truck show. We're introducing the stars.
You didn't go over the rules to the show, Jimbo.
You are right. I did not go. Hey, honestly, boys and girls, every now and then this guy does something pretty good. He's travels with us for a long, long time. Everybody just calls him Pork Chop. So all together, I want y'all to say, hi, Pork Chop. Here we go. Hi, Pork Chop. Pork Chop is going to tell you the rules to the performance, and then we'll do our national anthem.
Hey, before I get started this weekend, I'm not alone. I have my special helper with me. So I want to introduce him. Come on out here, Ditto. You know why I call him Ditto?
No.
Because he's just like me. He's a chip off the old block. You know what I'm saying? He could be mine. Hope his dad didn't hear that. I don't mean it. I just mean that this is one funny kid. I'm going to tell y'all right now. Anyways, his name's Ditto. I mean, that's not really his name, but it's Jeremy. But Ditto. Everybody say hi, Ditto. All right, now get out of here, kid. You bother me. Good job. Nice bike. All right, so, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, kids of all ages, before we can continue, we have to go over the rules of the show. The rules are very, very simple. There are only 2 of them. And I'm going to keep it simple. I have to divide you guys into 2 groups, okay? So I'm going to use that truck and car accessories banner and the glass tint, etc. banner. Everyone on that side, for the rest of the night, you're on a team together. Thank you, big guy. You the man. I heard you started that. Hey. Why couldn't that be a chick saying that? Everyone on this side, you're on a team together. This is my team. my team too. Okay, so here's the deal. Every time, now I forgot what I was doing.
We're talking about your team.
Oh, okay, we're gonna play the love game. And what that means is every time I say, show me some love, you guys just make a whole lot.